Hello everyone, I'm Chef Lin from Malaysia. Welcome to World Food Studio. And again today I'm going to show you a savory dish which is called Asam Rebus Ikan in Malay, or fish in sour gravy. This is a very famous dish in Malaysia and I'm sure in all over Asia. And it's also a healthy dish. Okay, let's see the ingredients. We have here 4 fish. This is a local mackerel, okay, small in size. If you have other fish, we have here lady's fingers, okay. We need about 7 or 8, depends on the size. Red chilies and bird's eye chilies and turmeric. This is wild ginger flower or bunga kantan. We have some water. We have 4 shallots and 2 garlic. We have 2 tamarind peel or dried tamarind skin, salt and sugar. We need to trim our lady's fingers. Then we will peel our onions. And also our garlic. This dish is very healthy actually because it doesn't use oil. And it uses fish, but if you prefer another kind of fish, it's up to you. So we need to slice our onions for easy blending. And also our chilies, which is red chili, you may throw the seeds away if you don't want your soup to be too hot or spicy. And I have here bird's eye chilies, which I think I will just use 3. If you want it to be hotter, you can put more. And this is our turmeric. We will peel the turmeric. And then we slice it. So we will put all this in a blender. And we add some water to make the blending process easier. We will also slice this is wild ginger to be put inside our pot. Okay. It's very fragrant, so you need to cut it into half lengthwise, okay. Okay, so to be put in our pot together with our blended paste. So you add some water and pour inside our. Okay, you can add more water, to ensure that your fish will all, be swimming inside and not floating on top. Okay, so we will add the lady's fingers to our pot here. The cooking process is very easy for this dish because it doesn't involve sautéing It's just a very healthy soup. Okay, we will let that boil for a while before we add the remaining ingredients. Okay, don't forget to put your tamarind peel. If you like to be more sour, you can add more. I'm just putting in 2 pieces of dried tamarind peel. Give that a stir. And at this point, we can season to taste with a bit of salt. Okay. And sugar. And we can add our fish. So if you, well, 4 fish is suitable for 4 people. So you can add more water just to make sure that your fish is immersed in the soup. Just a few minutes, once the fish is cooked. So I shall serve the fish now, our Asam Rebus, or fish in sour sauce, sour gravy. And I shall garnish it with a bit of bird's eye chili. So this is our Asam Rebus Ikan, or fish in sour gravy.